Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Find My and confirming you're signed into the same Apple ID. This gives real-time location when available. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location services are on, because playing a sound requires device connectivity. You should press play sound right away. It will help if AirPods are nearby and awake. While sound plays, move slowly and listen carefully around sofas, clothes piles, and under furniture, since quiet chirps can be masked by soft surfaces. You continue by adopting a grid search. Divide each room into zones and sweep methodically to avoid skipping spots. Make sure to check pockets, backpacks, jacket linings, laundry baskets, and under couch cushions. AirPods often fall into small gaps. Once you're in a zone, pause and play sound again to triangulate. If only one bud responds, inspect crevices where a single earbud could lodge. Use a low-angle flashlight across surfaces to catch the white stems reflecting light, and ask others to help scan. You wrap up by checking likely charging locations: bedside table, desk area, backpacks near chargers, and power strips where the case might sit. If Find My shows AirPods offline, use a Bluetooth walk test. Walk slowly through rooms with Bluetooth enabled and listen for reconnection within 30 to 60 feet, which narrows the search. Once you've exhausted the house, mark them as lost in Find My and consider replacement or single bud orders. Troubleshooting tip: if they're offline, battery may be dead, search charging zones first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.